In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer in Zoho Mail. If you want your emails to look more professional and consistent, adding a footer, also called an email signature, is a great idea. A footer can include your name, your role, your company details, or any standard closing information you want to appear at the bottom of your messages. The good news is that Zoho Mail makes this very simple to set up. To begin, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you are logged in. Once you are inside your mailbox, take a moment to look around the main interface so you can easily find the menu options. You'll want to access the settings area, since that's where Zoho Mail stores your personalization and account preferences. Next, click on Settings. This will open the section where you can manage different options related to your mailbox, appearance, writing preferences, and more. If you're new to Zoho Mail, don't worry if there are several categories visible. We're only focusing on the part that controls your email signature. After that, click on Signature. This is the section where you can create and edit the footer that appears in your outgoing emails. Once you open it, you'll see a space where you can type the content of your signature. This is where you can add the footer exactly the way you want it to appear. Now, go ahead and enter your signature details. You can type your signature name and any other information you want included in the footer. For example, many people use this area for a professional sign-off, along with basic business details. Keep it clean and easy to read so your emails look polished rather than cluttered. If formatting tools are available, you can also adjust the style to make it match your brand or personal preference. As you enter your footer, it's a good idea to quickly review everything for spelling, spacing, and layout. Since this signature may appear on every email you send, even small formatting issues can become noticeable over time. A simple, well-organized signature usually works best. Once you're done, click Save. This confirms your changes and stores the footer in Zoho Mail. From that point on, your signature will be ready to use in your emails, depending on your mail composition settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a footer in Zoho Mail. It only takes a minute, but it can make your messages look much more professional and complete.